Did you know that over 85% of AI projects don't make it past deployment? It's not because they're not good projects or they shouldn't be able to be deployed. It's that because they weren't set up right. They didn't have the right systems set up right. They didn't have the right projects. They didn't have the right people to help them understand how to. Every business needs AI and automation. There's not one business out there that's existing or going to exist that doesn't need it and need it now. But you have to know what pre-built agents to use and how to do it with what you have currently, so you can speed up the process of growth and building a strong foundation and the efficiency that you need to build your brand, basically. You need AI and automation. You need to know how to use it the right way with what you have currently. Reach out to us or reach out to a consultant. We have plenty of consultants on our team that can really help you understand where to place these AI agents and where to place automation with what you have now, so you can start the fast growth of getting to where you want to get. Have a great day. God bless.